So here I have the RooTrimmer 12 cell seed starting tray here. These nice clear seed starting trays. They do come with these drainage hole plugs there because they do have pretty nice large drainage holes, you can see there. So that's really nice, allows good drainage, allows the roots to grow out there if you want. Then you can plug up the holes if you like there. Oh, really nice quality trays. You get 12 there. And it's nice because they are clear so you can see the roots and everything inside. So I've been using them here for these seedlings. You can use them for propagation, you can grow seedlings as well, so use it however you like. Really nice too because they fit perfectly on a 10-20 tray. You can fit 6 of them on there, fit perfectly. So yeah, really happy with these. If you are in need of some seed starting trays like this, then definitely give these a look.